Hey, we're here at the Plano Preparedness Fair in Plano, Texas, and 2 years ago when we were here, we demonstrated how to cook on a Cinderblock rocket stove. We forgot to show you how to put one together. So since we're back here, we're gonna go ahead and put one together. So it's just a simple Cinderblock, just normal. You're gonna put it on like this. You need another Cinderblock that's either been cut, like this one has, or they actually make them that are open. Another cinder block in front of it, so your twigs are going to go this way. And then a cinder block on top. Over here. So your flame would come through here and up through here. And then you would need something to put on top so that you could cook. And this is the homemade rocket stove from last year that we're not using this year.